Hi, looking for baby birthday invitation video? Try to use LightMV. LightMV is a well-known kids birthday video maker where you can create a birthday invitation video with different kinds of birthday themes. Besides, you can also use this program on your mobile device. To start using this tool, simply go to its official website at www.lightmv.com. Then, hit the Get Started button. Next, scroll down the screen and select a video template that you want to use for your video. After that, click the plus sign icon on the screen to add files that you want to include on your video. Once you're done, hit the Produce SD Video button and wait for the video to be processed. Lastly, download the video by simply clicking the download icon on the interface. That's it, you already made a perfect baby birthday invitation using this tool. To know more about this program, don't hesitate to visit its official website at www.lightmv.com. Thank you guys for watching!